Proofreading like a pro, harnessing the power of spell checkers. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode in our series, Mastering the Art of English Writing. Today, we're going to explore a crucial part of proofreading techniques, the spell checker. This incredible tool is a real lifesaver when it comes to spotting and correcting spelling mistakes in your writing. Let's get started. A spell checker is a program or feature found in most word processing software. It helps identify spelling mistakes, typos, and sometimes even grammatical errors. Spell checkers are like vigilant proofreaders, constantly scanning your text and highlighting possible errors. Remember, while spell checkers are incredibly useful, they're not infallible. They can't understand context the way a human can, so it's always important to review any changes they suggest. Using a spell checker is quite straightforward. Most software applications, like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, have this feature built in. Typically, when you make a spelling mistake, the spell checker will underline the error in red. To correct the error, simply right-click on the highlighted word. The spell checker will provide a list of suggested corrections. You can select the correct option from this list. It's as simple as that. Note: make sure to read through the list of suggestions carefully. Sometimes, the spell checker might suggest a correctly spelled word that isn't the one you meant to use. As helpful as spell checkers are, they do have their limitations. They can miss homophones, words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings, like there, and there. They also might not catch errors if the mistake is still a correctly spelled word. For instance, if you typed form instead of from, a spell checker might not flag this as an error. That's why combining the use of a spell checker with your own careful proofreading is the best approach to ensure flawless writing. And that's it for today, dear learners. Remember, spell checkers are amazing tools for catching and correcting spelling errors, but they are not perfect. Always review their suggestions and combine their use with your own diligent proofreading. Happy writing, and see you in our next episode, where we will continue to hone our English reading and writing skills together.